Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to try roasted plantain and grilled fish, which is usually by the Nigerians. Yes, and so before we go on, please do subscribe, like and share this video. Click on the bell icon to get notification. Okay, so I have green bell pepper, onions, spring onions and celery, and also have some mixed natural spices. I'm going to blend, and we're going to make use of this fish. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to create some insertions on it, and then we are going to apply some seasonings and salt on it. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, do subscribe, like and share this video. So we are going to pat it dry. Make sure you dry it very well. Usually in Ghana, we enjoy our roasted plantain with peanut or granite, roasted granite. Yes, but in Nigeria, you usually see them enjoying it with some fish. So I just added some black pepper, white pepper, and then garlic and ginger powder. And then I'm also going to add salt to it and all-purpose seasoning. So I'm going to apply all on it. I'm going to apply it to every corner very well. Now I'm going to season this and then keep it in the fridge for the next day. I'm going to repeat the seasonings and the spices at the other side also. And then the blended ingredients that I blended, I just added. I'm applying everything on it. I'm going to change the bowl, keep it in this bowl, and then pour the liquid on it. Yes, and I'm going to cover this with cling film and then keep it in the fridge for the next day, because I'll use it the next day. Yes, so please like and share this video for me and leave a comment. Yes, okay, so this is it. We are going to keep it in the fridge, and so I'm going to prepare the pepper sauce that I will use also the same day. So I have my oil on fire. The ingredients I showed you, that is pepper, red bell pepper, onions, garlic, spring onions, and natural mixed spices like rosemary and kitty and those ones, thyme and all that. Yes, so I blended and then added it to the oil on fire. I didn't add tomato to this. You can decide to add tomato if you so wish. Okay, so we are going to cook this very dry, and I just added black pepper, white pepper, garlic and onion, garlic and ginger powder. Okay, so let's cover, check on it again. Now you can see it has dried up. I'm adding all-purpose seasoning to it. I'll add salt to it, and then I'm going to mix everything, stir it together. And then I also have some sliced onions that I'm going to add to it. Yes, so my sliced onions, I'll add, stir, and then cover for 2 minutes. I'll cover for 2 minutes, and that will be okay. Then I'll scoop it and then keep it in the fridge for the next day. Yes, so it's ready. Okay, so this is the next day, and our fish is out. And so what I'm going to do is we are going to grill this fish for about 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, so I'm going to bring my rack out, my oven rack out, and then I'm going to place the fish on it. Yes, and I'm going to take it to the gas oven, grill it for 10 to 15 minutes. So this is it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my how do you call it, foil there. I'm going to apply the the pepper sauce, not tomato, the pepper sauce that I made. Apply it all over, and I don't want the liquid to drain in the oven, the oil and all of that. That is why I have the foil there yes, so that it can save it. Now I decided to sprinkle some coconut oil also on it. Yes, so I actually prepared the sauce, the pepper sauce, with coconut oil, and I don't want my fish to be dry, so I have my ripe plantain. I apply some of the pepper sauce on it. I thought I was videoing it, not knowing I didn't video it. So I'll take it to the oven and then roast it more. Yes, and this is it. This also was done for 15 to 20 minutes, but I took the fish out for some time and then allowed the plantain to roast more. Yes, so this is it. Now I also made some coleslaw that I'm going to add to it, but you can enjoy this without the coleslaw, that is the salad. So I decided to add some salad, coleslaw salad, to it. So like I said, I took it out, the fish out, and then roasted the plantain alone. So this is it. Roasted the plantain and then later added the fish to it and then roasted it for 5 minutes. So this is it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.